I'm off my period.
Karen,
Yes?
does this dildo belong to you?
Yes. I'm afraid it does.
Well, may I borrow it, please?
What?
May I borrow it for a few moments? Maybe minutes. Perhaps the whole afternoon.
What? Well, yes. Well, as long as you clean it up afterwards.
Thank you, Karen. Thank you very much.
Okay, if everybody could just squeeze in a little bit more, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, and looking this way now. Janet? Janet, could you look this way, please? Janet?
Woo! Look at that! That's a plane! Ooh, that's going a bit fast, that is.
Janet? Janet, just for 5 seconds, please, could you look this way?
Woo! Look at that! That looks like a UFO. But it's not. It's a helicopter. Ooh.
Janet! For God's sake, please, just look this way. Come on now.
Woo! That cloud looks like a baby. Ooh. What a pretty cloud.
Janet, please. Please look this way.
Woo! Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, wait, no, that's just my eyeball.
Oh my God, what was Susan wearing at work today? She looked like such a potato in that gray jumpsuit. Ugh, really looked awful on her. I know, right? But, by the way, I really love your turban. I've been looking at it all day. Oh, it looks so good on you. It really complements your face. And I love how it matches your tights. Oh, thank you so much. By the way, your turban looks pretty good too. And I love how you've matched your tights as well. Oh my God, we're just so insane that we both did that.
Fucking queers.
Oh, God. Where? Oh, I'm hung over. Oh. Where the hell am I? What the fuck am I doing in a boat? Oh. Oh, and that's my favorite blanket. Oh. Oh, I should really stay away from the vodka shots. Oh, but they're so tempting. Oh, when we were playing Ring of Fire. Oh. What the fuck is that? Why did I bring some candles with me? Oh, God, I'm a mess. I'm a mess. Oh, God. Oh, God. I feel dizzy. And this boat isn't helping. Oh, God. Hi. 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 What is it, dear? What is it now? Does this hat make me look sexy? Do I look very sexy in this hat? Yes, dear, you look very sexy indeed. Now, please, can I go back and lie down? Oh. Wait, no, wait. Does this robe make me look sexy? Do I look sexy in this robe and hat? Yes, dear, you look very sexy. Now, please, can you stop calling me in here? Wait. Do these heels make me look sexy? Do these high heels make me look sexy? Yes, please. Oh, I'm so tired. Can you stop calling me in here wearing my clothes and... Oh, please, I just want to lie down. Please. Richard, it's time for your din-dins. Aw, yeah, bitches. Look at this nice round Renaissance titty coming my way. I can't wait to get that pink nipple in my mouth. Yeah, bitches, look at you sitting there. I bet you wish you had this. Shit. Now, I must have left my phone here somewhere. I just hope the high tide hasn't fucked things up for me.
Karen,
Yes, dear?
are you doing anything important at the moment?
No, dear, why?
How about a quick blowjob in the lounge?
Well, I am doing the tea, dear.
Not even a quickie blowjob?
Well, remind me to stir the potatoes afterwards.
Great, I'll meet you there.